Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to show you guys how to replace the screen on an iPhone 8. So we're just going to start off. First you take out the two pentalobe down at the bottom. Just these two little screws. And we'll go ahead and pop up the screen. So I've got the iSesmo here, and I'm putting it in the seam between the frame and the screen itself, and just walking the iSesmo up the side. And then this one just popped all the way off, but the only other thing to be would just make sure that these brackets pop out. But then it opens off to the right. So then what we'll end up doing is we're going to take the screws out of this shield here and this shield up here. And then once we do that, we'll be able to move the home button over to the new screen. So if you need a screen repair done, we do have a location, our Helper Tech Burnsville location and our Helper Tech Eagan location. We can do those repairs in about an hour for $119 or in 15 minutes for $149. So feel free to stop in and get that done. We're here at 10 to 6 during the week, and our Helper Tech Burnsville location is located at 14321 Nicollet Court, Burnsville, Minnesota 55306. So stop out and we can get that done for you. You guys have a nice day.